This 2015 Chevrolet 2500 HD service body is brought to you by Steve at JW Truck Sales. 2WD double cab 158 1 quote, work truck 2WD standard pickup trucks mechanical rear axle, 4.10 ratio, requires, L96, or X60L V8 SFI engine or, LC8, 60L V8 SFI gaseous CNG, compressed natural gas, engine. Suspension package, standard includes 5 1mm twin tube shock absorbers and 3 3mm front stabilizer bar pickup box, wide side GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4309 kilograms, requires, L96, Board X60L V8 SFI engine or, LC8, 60L V8 SFI gaseous engine. Air cleaner, high capacity cooling, external engine oil cooler cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler battery, heavy duty 720 cold cranking amps/80 amp HR, maintenance free with rundown protection and retained accessory power alternator, 150 amps frame, fully boxed.